Hello everyone, I'm Ritika. I'm currently pursuing my BTech in Computer Science Engineering, and I worked as web development and designing intern at Oasis Infobyte. One of my main tasks during this internship was to create a personal portfolio website. This project aimed to showcase my profile, skills, and work in a visual, appealing, and user friendly way while also demonstrating my ability. This portfolio project overview. My portfolio is structured into several sections. The hero section introduced me with my name, title, and welcoming tagline. The about me section, the skill section, and finally the contact section. And here comes the code. The goal was to create a clean, modern, and responsive layout so the portfolio works well on both desktop and mobile devices. I use HTML and CSS. HTML to build the basic structure, and CSS for styling and creating the overall look. And I also use JavaScript. So I focused on the color combinations and the spacing to make the design easy to read and visually balanced. I also tested the site on different screen sizes to ensure it is responsive. Uh, Throughout the task, I have improved my technical skills, HTML, CSS, and it also gave me hands-on experience with project planning. And so, as for the CSS thing, I applied a modern and clean design with a light color palette for readability. Some key CSS features I have used include Flexbox, Grid for arranging content responsibly, animations and transitions to make elements fade and smoothly. So media queries, so the website looks good on both desktop and mobile devices. A fixed navigation bar for easy movement between the sections. And the styling also ensures the portfolio is both attractive and user friendly. The interesting part is that I used CSS transitions and keyframe animation to bring the portfolio to life. So, for example, the skill progress bar start at 0 with expand smoothly when the user scrolls to the skill section, and fade in animations are applied to the text and the images so that they appear gradually instead of popping up instantly. I also added hover effects on the button and project cards so that when user moves the mouse over them, they slightly enlarge or change color. These animations not only make the portfolio very attractive but also guide the viewer's attention to the important elements. So this project helped me practice not just coding but also thinking the user experience, user interface, and make sure the website feels intuitive and engaging also. So the overall code is a simple code which makes in a simpler way the viewer can understand. Sorry for the thing. Integrate HTML, CSS, and animations in a way that enhances the user experience while keeping the design clean and functional. Overall, this task helped me strengthen both my coding skills and my sense of UI UX design. The whole main point is that actually. So, in conclusion, my internship at Oasis Infobyte was an amazing experience that strengthened my web development skills and gave me hands on the project and real life projects. The portfolio is not just a project. For me, it's a reflection of my growth as a developer and a designer. And thank you for giving me the opportunity to share my work. Thank you.